How to clear downloads on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear downloads on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and click profile, and here in the top corner you will find the storylines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find free up space and then click uh, here you will find the downloads. Here just click on it, click clear and click clear again, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.